I'm Catherine Ball. I work in the private client team here in the Central England office. I specialise in wills and probate and tax and trusts. I was born in wonderful Wales and we moved around an awful lot. So I ended up studying a secretarial course in Cambridge, and it was a lecturer there who taught law who told me that maybe I should think about qualifying as a solicitor and doing a law degree. So I just laughed at her and moved to London and worked as a secretary for a couple of years, and then decided to do as I was told and do a law degree and become qualified. And my first job was with a small firm that specialised in matrimonial law for expatriates, run by two very impressive women, but I decided that area wasn't for me. There was just far too much negotiation. It was all very grey and there was no definitive answers, not like with tax where you're generally right or wrong. So another solicitor told me that maybe I should specialise in private client law, and then I did as I was told and specialised in private client law, and I did the qualification for the Society of Trust and Estate Practitioners, which is a specialist qualification, and that got me the job here. Why private client law? It's just very people focused, and I spend a lot of my time talking to people, finding out about their backgrounds, and people are just interesting. And you find out what they want to happen, what they want to achieve, and we help do that. It's just very satisfying because we help to save huge amounts of tax, we get the grant of probate, we solve knotty trust problems, and we get their affairs in order so that when they do die, their families aren't just grieving and left with a massive mess. We've avoided that. I joined Hewitsons in 2001, so it was a long time ago, and we merged with HCR in, I think it was 2020, so it's probably really why have I stayed for so long. I've worked with some really impressive people that are very bright and capable and kind, and the clients have been amazing and interesting. There's always lots of challenging work, and I don't cope well with boredom, and I'm never, ever bored here. And the firm has been very supportive, so that they supported me to qualify as a chartered tax advisor. And then when just life gets at you, there's enough other people around to help. I am loving the Central England office. We have a great view of the river. It's got a lovely atmosphere, which was only enhanced by a visit from a player from the Saints rugby team. He also plays for England, is Alex Coles, and he came when we were celebrating the fact we'd been here for a year. And he answered questions about it, and we took photographs, and I took a photograph with him. Now he's 6'7" and I'm 5'1", and so I showed that photograph to my dad, who told me I looked like an Oompa Loompa. But I'm very proud of the photo nonetheless. I live with my husband and 2 young children and a dog and 2 cats and untold number of mice that come into the house by the cats. I'm a season ticket holder for the Saints rugby team, so I spend a lot of time there. And I'm mainly powered by chocolate and coffee, unless I'm at the Saints stadium where I may drink something else.